students, so today we will start with next chapter of standard 9 science, that is diversity in living organisms. So every organism present on this planet Earth, be it plant, animals or microorganism, is unique in itself. And this uniqueness basically forms the basis of diversity. So how we define as diversity? Earth is full of organisms of various shape and sizes, and varieties of plants right from small grasses to tall eucalyptus trees are present on this planet Earth. Over 1 million of species of animals are there, and this variety in living being is called diversity. That means इतनी ज़्यादा different types of varieties of plants and animals जो हमारे planet Earth पे present है, this is basically termed as diversity. Next, what is biodiversity? So biodiversity is variety of animals and plants living in a given geographical area. एक particular geographical area में जब हम different varieties of plants and animals को study कर रहे हैं, so that basically different varieties of plants and animals in a given biogeographical area, that is termed as biodiversity. Further, what is taxonomy? So taxonomy is the branch of biology which identifies, name and classifies different organisms present on the earth. जितने भी organisms earth के ऊपर present हैं, उनको basically एक scientific name जो है provide करना so that they can be easily classified. This branch of biology is termed as taxonomy. Now, why a scientific name is given to every organism? For example, if we talk about a sparrow, then it is known as chidiya, it is known as goraiya in Hindi, and it is known as sparrow in England. तो different places पे एक organism जो है उसको different names से जो है बोला जाता है. So in that case, अब ये हो सकता है कि एक जो word, if we talk about the word goraiya, that cannot be understood by a person in Britain. तो इसीलिए हर organism को एक scientific name जो है वो allot किया गया so that this name can be understood by everyone, and this is known as nomenclature. एक scientific name जो है हर object को, हर organism को, be it plant or animal, जो provide किया गया. So this branch of biology which identifies name, this is termed as taxonomy. Now, what is the need to classify organisms? अब इतने different variety of organisms जो हैं वो planet Earth पे present है, तो कहाँ से जो है need generate हुई that we need to classify organisms? Actually, when we classify organisms, जब हम उनको classify कर देते हैं on certain basis, it becomes easy for us to study them. हम उनकी characteristics, उनकी features, उनके habits के बारे में study करना हमारे लिए easy हो जाता है. Further, it helps in understanding how organisms evolve, कि किस तरीके से कोई particular species of animals जो है किस तरीके से वो evolve हुई है, with time उसकी body में क्या क्या changes हुए हैं, क्या क्या changes के according उसने अपनी body को adapt किया है. तो इन सभी factors को study करना जो है हमारे लिए easy हो जाता है. And moreover, if we classify organisms, then we can easily understand the interrelationship between the organisms. So this is the reason that we classified organisms.